Every weekend, my routine is pretty simple. It starts on Saturday morning. I usually wake up around 8 a.m. The first thing I do is stretch and look outside my window. The morning sun feels good. Then I go to the kitchen. I make breakfast. It's usually eggs and toast. Sometimes I make pancakes. I always have a cup of tea. Breakfast is my favorite meal. After breakfast, I go for a walk. I love walking in the park near my house. The birds are singing and the air is fresh. It's peaceful. Walking helps me think and relax. In the afternoon, I spend time reading. I have a cozy spot in my living room. I pick up a book from my shelf. Reading is my way to travel to different places without leaving home. Then I spend some time on my hobby. I like painting and sometimes crafting. It's fun to create something. It makes me happy. In the evening, I watch a movie or a show. I make some popcorn. It's my movie night. It's a nice way to end the day. Before I go to bed, I plan for the next day. Then I sleep. I feel grateful for my simple but happy weekends.